Great news, there is nothing wrong with you. Many women feel just like you, and like you, they desire more. Even better news, thousands and thousands of women have discovered the secret to rejuvenating their sexual desire and sexual pleasure. You can be one of them. Best news ever, you and your partner will have real pleasure. Now is your chance to feel sexy and alive again. Be an extraordinarily sexual woman and have the best sexual experiences of your life. White heavy checkmark. Does Vigorelle really work? Yes. It's scientifically proven. Women interested in increasing libido, lubrication and overall sexual pleasure will find Vigorelle to be the safe and effective solution they need. Combining a unique blend of topical herbal ingredients and natural foods, Vigorelle Registered is truly the next generation of sexual enhancement for